Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
I don't know what's happening here. I think he's drunk, I think. Yeah, I think he's drunk. Yeah, I think so. He's an army though. He's he's wearing a uniform army. But I don't know. I don't think he has. No, I don't know what's happening. I think he done something wrong. You?
Yeah.
Where to?
Shillong Times office. 9750.
975. Oh,
Zero.
7.